today is a Crusado walk. How to do Crusado walk in a simple way, and then I'll give you some tips how to make it look even better. So number one, so flex your legs. Now change weight on one of the leg, two knee bend. Now from here, from this low position, in which we have a lot of compression through our body weight to the floor, to our knees, as we rise, almost before complete straightening of my knee, we're gonna shoot our leg forward on two ball of the feet and start sliding it slightly forward to the split position. So this will be level number one. So preparation, first we're gonna prepare two bent knees. Now from here, as we straight our legs, we're gonna shoot our leg forward in a two ball of the foot position, split weight position. Now from here, the leg will travel slightly forward, and from here, level two, we're gonna lower our heel first. Heel goes down first. So one more time. So we have a preparation position, two knee bent together, compressed. As we try to straight our knees almost before the knee straight, when we shoot our leg forward, slide leg forward. Now heel goes down. Now as the heel touching the floor, we start bending our standing knee and getting over the leg. And once our knee bent and cannot go anymore forward, we release the back leg to collect it under our body with a slight compression feeling. And then here again, we're at the same position as we started. So two knee compressed, legs start to straight, and almost before the leg straight, we shoot our leg forward, the leg a little bit slide, heel goes down first, then we bend our knee as we completing transferring of the weight, and then the leg collects. And go 1 and 2. So this is just the main concept how to do Crusado walk. Later on, I will do the whole videos like where I go in depth about this step, but this is just general understanding. Now, in order for this step to occur, we have to really use our body action and squeeze and compress